Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a default application for a file type on Mac computer. Open any file that you want to set a default. Say suppose this PDF file. Right now it is by default set to open in the preview application, which is a system application. However, if I want to open in any other PDF viewer or PDF reader, what I can do is I can right click on this application and choose open with, and here I have this option others. Just select that, and here it will open in the applications folder, and you can have this option enable recommended applications. So once the recommended applications are visible, you would be able to see what all applications the PDF can open. So like I mentioned, it is already selected to preview. Instead, I want to open the PDF files in Safari browser. So I can choose the Safari browser and select this always open with and then open. So what it will open the PDF file in the Safari browser. So this way it is open in the Safari browser. Now if I close the Safari browser and again double click on it, it will automatically open all the PDF files in Safari browser, because I have set the Safari browser as a default for PDF files. Similarly, if there are any other file extensions like .png or anything that you want to open in specific application, you can just configure it accordingly to always open in that particular application. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.